I'm going to say that D equals the number of dives I did on spring break. And so over summer, dives over summer, well, I know that I did 5 more in summer than I did on spring break. So I'm going to say D plus 5. And what do I know about the number of dives that I've done this year? Well, I know that they total 21. So that means I'm going to have something equal to 21. And the only time I get to dive is either on spring break or during summer. So I'm going to have D plus 5. So the number of dives I did on spring break, and then the number of dives I did over summer, and that's going to equal 21. Now what I want to do is I'm actually going to plug these in to see which one works for D. So if I put 6 plus 6 plus 5, does that equal 21? No. If I put 8 plus 8 plus 5, does that equal 21? Yes. So I know that I did 8 dives on spring break. D equals 8. So then how many dives did I do during summer? Well, it's going to be 8 plus 5, which is 13. So I did 13 dives over summer. Alright, now we're going to try another one. Alright, so let's try this problem. A puppy weighs 12 more pounds than a kitten. The puppy weighs 7 times more than the kitten. Find the weights of the puppy and the kitty. Your choices for the weight of the kitty are 1, 2, 3, or 5 pounds. So, step 1, read the problem carefully. What are we trying to find out? Well, hopefully you told me that we are trying to find out the weights of the puppy and the kitty. And we're given choices for the kitty. And what are my clues? What's going to help me get there? Well, I'm told that the puppy weighs 12 more pounds than the kitty. And then I'm told that it weighs 7 times more than the kitty. So I'm going to say that K is the weight of the kitty. So K is the weight of the kitty. Well then, how would I represent the weight of the puppy? And remember, I have to make it a relationship to the weight of the kitty. Well, I could look at this first one and say, well, the puppy weighs 12 more pounds, so that would be K plus 12. But don't forget, I also have this one that's 7 times more than. So I can also say that the weight of the puppy is represented by 7 times more than the kitty. 7 times the kitty. Well, that puppy, his weight is the same no matter what, unless you feed him a lot. So you're going to have that K plus 12 equals 7K. And now what you want to do is plug in 1, 2, 3, or 5 and find out which one is the weight of the kitty. Then you want to make sure that you use that and either add 12 to it or multiply it by 7 so that you get the weight of the puppy.